Howdy, folks. Welcome back to Terry Family Adventures. Today I'm feeling sparkly, and we're going to work on the skid plate.
Terry Family Adventures.
Alright, folks, let's give you a little update here. We had to cut out this section right here because there's a little hump underneath the bottom of the Jeep. It's got to fit around. And then I've put a hole in it right here just in case if we get like an oil leak or something. I want somewhere for the oil to be able to drip out onto the ground so that I actually know I have some kind of a leak. And so we've done that, and we're gonna take and put this thing up into place and make sure that it fits. fits there. Let's go check out the backside. Alright, let's see how well this goes up in the backside. That side needs the washer and everything to be big enough to not pull through, but proof of concept, it works. Let's get the thing back off of here. All right, folks, well, there you go. We had to cut that little notch in there. This side kind of looks like Swiss cheese. I tried to fit this on there earlier, but realized that somehow the cardboard piece I made, it got flipped upside down to do the holes on the backside, so I had to do them again. And then this one was just a tiny bit off, and so we had to drill a new one there. But it really don't matter that this back piece looks a little bit like Swiss cheese. I mean, there's these holes that were in the metal when I got it in the first place. And so there's a part 2 for you. In part 3, we'll paint it. We'll get it fit up in there real good. I've got to find some washers, and then I haven't decided yet because somebody came up with a really good idea about, I said I was going to weld them into place. And somebody told me just to find a piece of metal tubing that would fit over the head of the nut and still give me room to put a socket on there and weld that into place to protect the bolts. And so I'm going to explore that option, and then we'll come back, we'll finish it up on part 3. Please go down there, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.